Because of religious beliefs and medicinal properties, the Tulsi plant is commonly grown in almost every household. To keep it green and thriving for a long time and to ensure better growth, proper care is essential. So in today's video, we will see how to take care of Tulsi plant correctly. We learn about its varieties, its growing temperature and sunlight requirements, how to care for it in summer and winter. We will discuss the suitable soil for Tulsi, its water and fertilizer requirements, methods to protect it from pests and how to propagate it. Finally, we'll talk about how to make the Tulsi plant bushy. So make sure to watch this video up till the end. But before that, I'll request you to please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. अगर आप ये वीडियो हिंदी में देखना चाहते हैं तो ऊपर दिए गए लिंक को क्लिक करें. लिंक वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में भी है. Hey guys, welcome to Gardening Canvas. Tulsi, also known as Holy Basil, has numerous health benefits, and that's why it is called Queen of Herbs. It is used in various medicine and herbal products due to its medicinal properties. It's a perennial plant that grows throughout the year. Speaking of varieties, there are mostly 4 varieties of Tulsi. In the first variety, it has green leaves and stem, and this is called Rama Tulsi. The second variety has purple and dark green or blackish color leaves, and its stem is purple. It is called Shama or Krishna Tulsi. Both of these varieties are quite common and can be easily found in any nursery. They can be grown in pots without much difficulty. The third variety is Vana Tulsi and is generally found in forest. And the fourth variety is Kapoor Tulsi. It has white flowers and emits a fragrance similar to that of camphor or kapoor. Let's talk about the sunlight and temperature requirements. Tulsi plant does not prefer extreme temperature. If the temperature goes above 35 degrees Celsius and it is exposed to direct sunlight, its leaves may burn. Similarly, if the temperature drops below 10 degrees Celsius, its leaves may dry up and fall. During the summers, keep it in a place where it can receive morning and evening sunlight, but protect it from direct sunlight during the afternoon. You can also mulch the plant with dry leaves or coco peat to retain the moisture. Winter is a dormancy period for Tulsi. During that time, its growth is minimal. To protect it from cold, cover it with a cloth or keep it in a shaded area. If your plant is kept in open space, make sure the leaves do not get dew on them, otherwise they will fall off. For this, you can rinse the leaf with water in morning. During winter, make sure to keep it in sunlight. Now let's talk about what kind of soil is needed to grow a healthy Tulsi plant. Tulsi prefers a well-drained soil. Use a soil that is loose and light so that when you water the plant, any excess water can easily drain out. For my Tulsi plant, I use a mixture of 1 part garden soil, 1 part coco peat, 1 part sand and 1 part compost. This type of soil is light, allowing the plant's root to spread easily. Speaking of water requirements, Tulsi like moist soil but not soggy soil. Check the top inch of a soil before watering. If it is dry, you can water it. During summers, try to water it in the morning so that the soil remains moist during the afternoon. If we water it in the evening, the temperature is already low at night and the plant may experience water shortage the next day. During the hot summer days, when the temperature goes above 40 degrees Celsius, you may need to water it both in the morning and in the evening. One more thing to keep in mind is that we perform the puja of Tulsi plant and during that time we pour water in its pot. If we water them 2 or 3 times a day, a significant amount of water is used, so we should use a small size container for watering. Regarding fertilizer, we can add 100 to 150 grams of compost and 2 teaspoons of epsom salt in the month of May or June and again in the month of October and November for good growth of Tulsi plant. Cow dung manure is considered to be one of the best fertilizer for Tulsi. During winters, Tulsi goes through a period of dormancy, so during this time there is no need to fertilize the plant. If we talk about pests, generally Tulsi plant does not attract many pests. However, sometimes they may be affected by aphids, mealybugs or whiteflies. To prevent them, we can apply neem oil spray on the plant. Now let's talk about the propagation of Tulsi plant. Tulsi can be propagated through cutting or seeds. For propagation from cutting, take a thick cutting from the plant and prepare a soil mixture of 1 part soil, 1 part vermicompost, 1 part coco peat and 1 part sand. Plant the cutting in this mixture. The best time for cutting propagation is the rainy season. Look at this Tulsi plant that I propagated through cutting. A few branches of one of my Tulsi plant were broken and I planted those in the soil. And now you can see how well they have grown. To propagate from seed, sow the seed in the same soil mixture that I mentioned earlier. Within 1.5 months, you will see good growth in the plant. Tulsi seeds are found in their seed pods and they fall off at various places, resulting in new plants sprouting on their own. When the seed pods are mature, you can remove them and sow them in the soil. New plants will emerge from them. I have never purchased a Tulsi plant for my garden. They usually come out of their own during the rainy season in my pots. Even the plant that you see here has grown on its own, and I have transferred it into this pot. Finally, let's talk about how to make the Tulsi plant bushy. This is my Tulsi plant 1.5 months ago, and now after 1.5 months it has grown so dense and its growth is excellent. To make the plant bushy and lush, pruning is crucial. Whenever you see a seed pod forming on the plant, remove them. This will encourage plants to produce side branches. Look at my plant. Whenever the seed pods appeared on them, I have removed them, which resulted in growth of many side branches, making the plant dense. If you don't do this, then the plant will grow taller but won't become bushy, and its growth won't be as good. I hope this video was useful. If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to my channel. और अगर आप मेरे कंटेंट्स को हिंदी में देखना चाहते हैं तो मेरे हिंदी चैनल ग्रीन लाइफ को जरूर सब्सक्राइब कर ले, लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में।